Yeah, so I just came home, right? So I just came home from college, like aviation thing, doing enrollment, blah blah whatever. I was in school and I got a notification that my shoe came. I just needed to check for verification. I'm gonna do that later on. But I have it right here. I was opening it. I was in the middle of opening it. And then I was thinking to myself, why don't I just open it for my YouTube? Because I really be having nothing to post, like, at all. So I'm just like, why don't I just open it for y'all? So I'm gonna open it for y'all.
You gon' hate me regardless. That's why I do what I do. See me in person, I'm flawless. I might just snatch up your dude. Sugar all over the chat. Bitch, I made it on the map. Niggas hating, that's just sad. In the race, bitch, you last. Foreign cars speeding fast. He got his hands on my lap.
Why this thing be so hard to like? Did somebody kiss me on my face? Cause like it's a little sticky. Yeah, that nigga he get whacked up. Yeah, if he act up. Oh, I broke the lead pencil. Like, I don't fuck with these vegetarian. Yeah, I'm done to the bush. Can't hear. I'm gonna spaz. So it's open. Me trying to figure out why it's surrounded in paper. Y'all. These are the Jordan 5 4th grades. It's size 7. Ooh. Yo, so tell me how I had like lost the Listerine cap, right? Yeah, I had lost it somehow, some way. And then like I was about to drop it and it was about to spill like all over my shoes. 23, stop playing with them. Who you playing with? Stop right there. So I did get them from Goat. Y'all, I'm most def wearing these tomorrow. Stop playing with me. See, I got this from Goat. This is the little Jordan sticker that comes with it, I guess. Look. Y'all, I kind of like just like messed it up. Like I just like dropped it in between. Oh my god. Y'all. I'm like so happy because like wow. Wow. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it on. Show y'all on feet. Bro, these are sexy. These are so cute. Stop playing. I'm gonna cry because these are so cute. The thing, okay, look, so before I bought these, I did do some like research on it or whatever. I did like look it up. I looked up the shoes on YouTube or whatever I seen. And I know that like the material is like peely or whatever. I obviously still didn't care because it's right here in my hand, isn't it? Oh, okay. It looks big even though it's a size 7, but it just looks big to me. I'm wearing these in school tomorrow. I'm most definitely going to take some pictures because who wouldn't? I mean, like, obviously. So right now the fit I have on. Hold on, don't mind the paper on the ground. That was from the shoes. I have on this fit with some Air Forces.
But anywho,
You know they can't stop. I'm getting that bread like a wallet. She gave me the top like a bottle. And after that, I gotta dodge. I might just show you what a ruler. Got pulled on my hip like a hula. You talking, but watch what I do to you. I call up the L's and they roll me. You cannot play like me, get paid like me. I'm smooth like ice. Bitches wanna stay with me, can't lay with me. I want one night. I don't really like closed doors. What you think I got a pole for? Hold on, wait, I'm about to show off. Hold on, wait, I'm about to show off. Extended the clip like Pinocchio. I think that I'm high off the dosey though. She wanna ride like a rodeo. I keep me a dog like 44. You cannot touch like this, can't move like this. Got swag like Mike. You cannot touch like this, can't move like this. Got swag like Mike.
Guys, my mother's here. I'm gonna show her my shoes. Look, my shoes came.
I'm here.
Yeah, what's up?
Huh?
Wow, I'm so drunk.
We need to start our basketball.
Chill. I'm in JJ. Did JJ get ready?
No.
It's you.
They just sit perfect on your feet.
I know, right? They're cute. So I am so much, very much satisfied with my shoes because, baby, I knew they was gonna look cute, but this cute? Stop playing. Let me go pack it away because I'm like, me, very much satisfied with my shoes. Alright, so that was the end of my video. This video was kind of short, but y'all get something because my next video is going to be a shoe haul, but that's going to be in like November, I think. Also, I have a video where y'all are going to pick up my outfits for a week. And that is going to be in like November or December. Most likely November. And I have the wax video that I'm still in the mix of editing. I did that video in, I think, August, most definitely August. I was editing it October 13th, I think. Still not done editing it. Like, it's just something wrong with me. The video might most likely be done editing by like the end of November because I'm very much lazy. Like, there's something wrong with me. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Now, but this video might hit numbers because it was like a shoe unboxing video. So I'm gonna have like different type of viewers coming on my page to see me unboxing with Grace. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and comment which videos I should do. More videos I should do. Bro, when I be saying that, bro, y'all don't listen. Like, y'all be thinking I just say to say. I mean, comment some, like, y'all watching me, right? So just comment videos y'all want me to do. But that's the group chat. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later.
That's why I do what I do. See me in person, I'm flawless. I might just snatch up your dude. Sugar all over the chart. Bitch, I made it on the map. Niggas hating, that shit sad. In the race, bitch, you last. Foreign cars speeding fast. He got his hands on my